Hi guys, Fancy Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy. Here we are, and today we are going to talk about landscaping. So, I know a lot of times when we're landscaping, we don't know what to do to elevate our space. I personally love this look. So, it takes the florals off the ground and not planted in the ground. What I like about this is that you or your gardener or whoever can get really creative with these because they can actually put an irrigation hose inside, so you don't have to like constantly remember to come over here and pour water on them. But it is elevated. It looks very dimensional. It looks very luxurious, but they are off the ground, sectioned off individually. So this is a great idea for landscaping, especially since we're in Texas and it's hot. And so this will keep your plants watered through a hose thing that you could set up. And I just love it. I think it looks so good. It provides a very luxury look, which is what we're going for because it makes your backyard look fancy. That's Fancy Fridays for today, so I hope everyone is living just fancy.